So maybe you want to record on your phone and read line for line your words. There's a great app called Teleprompter that allows you to do just that. I'm Rachel B. Hughes. I'm a creative entrepreneur who helps other entrepreneurs create engaging videos to showcase their expertise. If you're looking for more video tips, be sure to check out more videos like this one by hitting subscribe. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a teleprompter on your phone and record at the same time. This is great if you want to record a short video. First, you'll need to download the app. It looks like this. Step 2, paste your script or outline. If you're not sure if you prefer a script or an outline, watch that video on whether you should be scripting or outlining. Open your script or outline, and it's smart to have it saved on like a Google Doc so that you always have a copy of it. Highlight it all, select all, press copy, and then go into the Teleprompter app, hit add script, compose new, title it, select the copy, and hit paste. Hit done. Next, what you want to do is enable screen recording. So go down to settings, hit video recording, and enable camera. You can decide, the front of the camera is what you want, so you can be reading the script. Hit microphone, and then video resolution, hit 4K. Done. Look at us, now you see us recording on our screen. Okay, scroll all the way to the top of your script. Scroll, scroll, scroll. And then you're gonna decide the speed by hitting the turtle for slower or the bunny for faster. Let's see how this is. And then start practicing, find your pace. How to batch shoot videos in a day. Batch shooting videos is when you're too slow. A little bit faster. And now a tip that you want to note is when you're reading the screen, you want to actually be reading it more so the top so it looks like you're looking at the camera. So give yourself space to really find your pace and practice it a few times. So let's see. I want it to be at the top. Batch shooting videos is when you record a bunch of videos at one time. Okay, so actually you should probably press record so you can see how the cadence is. So let's scroll to the top, and we're gonna want it to be right up here. So 3, 2, 1. How to batch shoot videos in a day. Batch shooting videos is when you record a bunch of videos at one time. Now, again, practice your pace, and so hit stop, and then be sure to save the video. This will then go to your photos on your phone, and you can see if it looks like you're reading towards the top.
How to batch shoot videos in a day. Batch shooting videos is when you record a bunch of videos at once.
So it's still a little slow, and I would recommend speeding it up, and again, keeping your eye line right at the top. Let me show you one more time. So I'm gonna speed it up to be a little bit faster. Here we go. Okay, how to batch shoot videos in a day. Batch shooting videos is when you record a bunch of videos at one time. This is the #1 way to maximize your time and get ahead of your video production. I'm Rachel B. Hughes, a creative entrepreneur who helps other entrepreneurs create engaging videos to showcase their expertise. Okay, let's see that one. Stop. Remember to hit save, or else all your hard work is gone.
Let me show you one more time. So I'm going to speed it up to be a little bit faster. Here we go.
So obviously practice is what's the biggest key element in this, and knowing your cadence and your rhythm. So keep practicing, maybe stand up, practice with natural light, make sure it's a good angle, and get recording. Ta-da, you did it. Be sure to save it and let me know if you have any questions. I would love to help you. All right, catch you later.